Hello, my friends. Today we're going to read the story, The Happy Man and His Dump Truck. The story is by Miriam and it's illustrated by Tibor Gergely. Once upon a time there was a man who had a dump truck. Every time he saw a friend, he would wave his hand and tip the dumper. One day he was riding in his dump truck, singing a happy song, when he met a pig going along the road. "Would you like a ride in my dump truck?" he asked. "Oh, thank you," said the pig, and he climbed into the back of the truck. After they had gone a little way down the road, the man saw a friend. He waved his hand and tipped the dumper. "Whee!" said the pig. "What fun!" And he slid all the way down to the bottom of the dumper. Very soon they came to a farm. "Here is where my friends live," said the pig. "You have a nice dump truck. Would you please let my friends see your truck?" "I will give them a ride in my dump truck," said the man. So the hen and the rooster climbed into the truck, and the duck climbed into the truck, and the dog and the cat climbed into the truck, and the pig climbed back into the truck too. And the man closed the tailgate so they would not fall out. And then off they went. They went past the farm, and all the animals waved to the farmer. The man was very happy. "They are all my friends," he said. So he waved his hand and tipped the dumper. The hen, the rooster, the duck, the dog, the cat, and the pig all slid down the dumper into a big heap. The animals were all so happy. Then the man took them for a long ride and drove them back to the farm. He opened the tailgate wide and raised the dumper all the way up. All the animals slid off the truck and onto the ground. "What a fine sliding board," they all said. "Thank you," said all the animals. "Cuck-a-cuck-a," clucked the hen. "Cock-a-doodle-doo," the rooster crowed. "Quack, quack," quacked the duck. "Bow wow," barked the dog. "Meow, meow," mewed the cat. And the pig let out a great big grunt. "Oink, oink." The man waved his hand and tipped the dumper, and he rode off in his dump truck, singing a happy song. Isn't that a great little story about how a happy man allowed his happiness to spread to the other animals by giving them something simple, a ride in his dump truck? Thanks for listening to our story today. See you next time.